is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Hey YouTube, so last night I twisted my hair, as you guys can see, and I used Cantu Shea Butter, leave-in conditioner, repair cream. I just wanted to come on camera to do my twist out to see how it comes out. And I know you guys can see how it's, damaged at the ends. I might just get it over with and cut all the damage off. I don't even know how my hair got damaged, to be honest. Like, I haven't straightened my hair in months, but I don't know. Let's just take these bad boys out. So now I'm just fluffing it out. Forgot a twist. Oops. Now this is what I call the struggle twist out. Right now, it's looking like, I don't know.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
It's not even curly, it's just wavy. But back here, my hair is not damaged like the front. This is how my twist out here would normally look. It would look similar to this, not this over here. This is my struggle twist out, and I'm rocking my struggle twist out, okay? I hope this inspires everybody to either cut their damaged hair off or rock their damaged hair until they're ready to cut it. Because not everybody's ready to cut their hair right away. If you want all of it off, then cut all of it. If you don't, then you don't have to. I also wanted to say that I will be doing the big chop very soon because I cannot rock this heat damage for long.